Arvind Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party's way. Arvind Kejriwal managing to get bail. Bhavtosh, give us all the updates from the SC.
Yes, big news, big relief for Arvind Kejriwal. After 155 days, Arvind Kejriwal will be walking out of Tihar jail. He was arrested first by the Enforcement Directorate on 21st March, then again arrested by the CBI on 26th of June. He is out on interim bail in the Enforcement Directorate case, so he will be stepping out of Tihar jail around 6:30 or 7 p.m. That's what our sources in Tihar jail has told us. Condition will be fixed by trial court. Once they get a certified copy from Supreme Court, they will be moving towards trial court. That's a court number 512. Special Judge Kaveri Baweja will fix the conditions for Arvind Kejriwal. The conditions will remain same. It would be a bail bond of around 100,000 rupees, and then there would be a surety of the same amount. A person have to in fact appear before the investigating officer. But the fact is that the investigation in this case are now over. The trial will start whenever the charges will be framed. It will be framed. But the fact is that Arvind Kejriwal's arrest, another important thing, Meenakshi, is the fact is that Arvind Kejriwal arrest by the CBI has been confirmed is legal, but the fact that prolonged incarceration is now being considered something that should not be done. That point has been upheld by the Supreme Court. The fact that all the accused in this case are now in fact are out on bail, that has also been considered by the Supreme Court. So on condition of parity, the fact that charge sheets in this case have been filed, that there is no further investigation, Arvind Kejriwal, Delhi's Chief Minister, has been granted bail, and by late this evening he will be stepping out of the Tihar jail after 155 days. Back to you.
Well, certainly Arvind Kejriwal granted bail. It's a big relief for the Aam Aadmi Party, Arvind Kejriwal as well, Bhavtosh, but it's very important to underline as well, isn't it, the fact that the Supreme Court has given bail to Arvind Kejriwal, but at the same time, the Apex Court has also said that there is no illegality in Arvind Kejriwal's arrest by the CBI, isn't it?
Yes, a very important point that Supreme Court has mentioned in its order, that the arrest of Arvind Kejriwal is legal. In fact, it is a concurrent judgment. It has been, it is not a split verdict. It's a concurrent judgment by the division bench of Justice Kant and Justice Bhuyan. So Justice Bhuyan is now reading the judgment. So there will be two judgments. It's a concurrent judgment, and the Supreme Court has given bail to Arvind Kejriwal. The manner in which other accused are out on bail. Since the time Arvind Kejriwal was arrested, be it Sanjay Singh, be it any other party member, they have all said that the arrest of Arvind Kejriwal was illegal, that it was done primarily because of the fact that he was given interim bail by the Supreme Court. But now what has happened is the Supreme Court has said that Section 41, Part 2, Part A, Part 2 was in fact maintained by the Supreme Court, by the Central Bureau of Investigation, that due procedure was followed. So the arrest was in fact legal, but because other accused have been given bail, that prolonged incarceration should not be done once the investigations are over. So Arvind Kejriwal would be walking out. Conditions will be fixed by the trial court. So
yes, and Bhavtosh, since you're speaking of conditions, we have another update coming in from the SC. SC basically saying the conditions imposed in the ED case is going to continue. Does that mean that Kejriwal cannot attend office and he can't sign any files?
Yes, that's what our legal editor Harish has said. This is very important. In fact, while it is relief for Arvind Kejriwal, but it is also in a way setback for him. This means Arvind Kejriwal would not attend office and cannot sign any official files. It's a very, very big setback for him. So there are two setbacks for him. One, that his arrest has been said as illegal, and more importantly, he cannot attend office. He cannot sign any official files. Now it's up to Arvind Kejriwal whether he wants to continue as the Chief Minister of Delhi, because he is an accused in the alleged excise scam. His party has also been made an accused in the Enforcement Directorate case, and now Supreme Court has said that he cannot attend office and cannot sign any official files.
Exactly.
Now it is up to the party, up to Arvind Kejriwal, whether he wants to continue as the Chief Minister of Delhi.
Or not. Is that going to happen or not, Bhavtosh? Why don't you hold on to that thought? We have Akashdeep Muni who's also joined us on the phone line. Morning, sir. Thank you for joining us on Times Now. Certainly, there is no doubt that that it's a relief for Aam Aadmi Party, for Arvind Kejriwal, that he's managed to get bail. But two setbacks also, as the Supreme Court first of all says that to begin with, the arrest was not illegal, and despite of still being the Chief Minister, Arvind Kejriwal cannot sign any files. He cannot attend the CM's office. How do you see this verdict first of all?
See, I welcome the verdict, first of all, and it's a happy moment for all our supporters throughout the country. This is very interesting, the verdict, because Justice Kant says that there is no apprehension on tampering of evidence, which was led by the prosecution. Now, when the court rejects, and he said that rejecting those, it means that they are rejecting the apprehension that there can be any tampering of evidence. So this clears the air for other people who are involved in this case, that they can also get bail, because there can be no tampering of evidence now.
Yes.
So they can get bail and they can come out. So other people who are inside in this particular alleged excise scam, they can come out. And the prosecutions claim that the trial will be ending soon. This also the Honorable Supreme Court rejected. So the trial is not going to end soon. It has not started
Yes,
yet.
you're right about that. The Apex Court did take into consideration the prolonged period of incarceration, which you are referring to. But how do you see this aspect of the judgment, sir? Because that's also very significant. SC saying that he can't sign any official files, he can't be visiting the CM's office. Would it still be okay for the Chief Minister, Arvind Kejriwal, to continue as the Delhi CM?
See, I have to go through the whole order
right.
authored by Justice Khan. But at present, it seems it's a welcome order, and it's a happy moment for all our supporters throughout the country.